Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of woodworking to talk about the mortise and tenon technique. This traditional joint method has been used for centuries, known for its strength and durability. Let's break it down. The mortise and tenon joint consists of two parts. The mortise, a hole or slot cut into one piece of wood, and the tenon, a protruding piece on the end of another wood piece that fits snugly into the mortise. The dimensions of these components are crucial for a strong joint. Typically, the tenon is 1/3 the thickness of the wood and should be twice as long as it is wide for optimal strength. To create this joint, you'll need a few essential tools. A marking gauge helps you accurately mark the width of the tenon on the wood. A tenon saw is used to cut the tenon to size, while a chisel and mallet are essential for cutting out the mortise. A shoulder plane can be handy for refining the tenon shoulders for a precise fit. Remember, patience and precision are key when working with the mortise and tenon technique. Take your time to ensure a perfect fit, as any gaps can compromise the joint strength. Once you've mastered this technique, the possibilities are endless for creating sturdy furniture, doors, and more. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more woodworking tips and techniques. For additional resources, check out the link in the description. Happy woodworking!